In this 7-part video series, we're going to walk through the setup of an InstaLOD Grid network, including setting up the main server, setting up a processing worker, and finally, the different ways of how you can connect and process your files through InstaLOD Grid. InstaLOD Grid enables enterprise customers to easily establish an on-premise InstaLOD compute cluster. Customers that leverage InstaLOD Grid are able to expose every employee to the InstaLOD web application to process data with no additional cost and no application-specific training. The InstaLOD Grid server receives requests from operators through applications such as InstaLOD Studio or the built-in web application and automatically forwards it to an available node in the compute cluster. Once the data has been processed, the results can be downloaded through InstaLOD Studio or the InstaLOD Grid web application. For deep system integrations, InstaLOD can be accessed through a built-in web service that can be connected to other web services, PLM systems, and traditional data pipelines. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.